In this video, I'm doing a tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, making decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. Now, this is your first time visiting my channel. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're part of the creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now, let's get into this video. This video is part of an open invitation collaboration. And the title of this collaboration is Diamond Frosted Christmas Tablescape. And it is hosted by Stacy at Styling with Stacy and the Glam Squad, and they are Tammy at the Glam Queen of DIY, and Ellen at Glamour Ellen, Ian at Renters Live Luxury by Ian, and B at Elegant Designs by B, and Candy at DIY Designs by CCW. If you're not familiar with any of these ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist when it comes available down below in the description. Now let's start here. The charger I wanted in the giveaway, the white plate, the clear plate, I thrifted that when I first moved to Houston. The snowflake in the center was from the Dollar Tree. The white napkin was gifted. I won it in a giveaway along with the bedazzled napkin ring. I won that in the giveaway. And then my Z Gallery Dude glasses were purchased at the champagne flute was at Ross, and the wine glass was from Pier 1. And then the cake stand here, cupcake stand, I got that at a store called Dirt Cheap. And the placemat was from the Dollar Tree. All the place settings are the same. Now in my centerpiece, I have my frosted snowman family. The husband, the wife with her little cute purse, and the son. They were all thrifted. And then I have the ice trees. I have the larger one and the smaller one. They were both thrifted as well. So here's an overall view of my diamond frosted Christmas tablescape. I really think it came out cute. I'm liking the way I set it up. So won't you tell me what you think down below? I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to go check out the playlist link down below and view the other participants' videos. I'm sure you will enjoy them as well. Now you know I love me some snowmen. I love them. And I think the centerpiece in this clear glass plate looks gorgeous. I just really like the way this table turned out. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.